saw something you love but want to save it for later? Let's add it to your Temu wishlist. Open the Temu app or go to temu.com on your browser. Browse through the categories or use the search bar to find something cool. Once you find a product you like, tap it to open the product page. Now look for the little heart icon, usually found below the product image or near the price. Tap the heart and it will instantly save to your wishlist. To view your wishlist later, go to your profile and tap on wishlist. You will see all the items you have favorited. Wishlist items often get discounts. Temu notifies you when prices drops. What's the top item on your wishlist right now? Drop it in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.